Welcome to a new French lesson. Today we're going to be looking at ma famille, my family, in French. How do you say those words that have to do with your family members in French? This is another vocabulary building exercise for you. If you are ready, let us begin. These are words you must know when you are talking about your family members in French. Okay? Listen while I read. Papa, maman, frère, sœur, grand-mère, grand-père, père, mère, oncle, tante, cousin, cousine. What do these mean? You wonder. Papa or père can mean the same thing. It just means father. Mama or mère can mean the same thing, mother. You can also say dad here and mom. Okay? Frère, brother. Sœur, sister. Grand-mère, grandmother. Grand-père, grandfather. Uncle, tante, aunt. Let me write it much cleaner for you. Aunt, cousin, cousin. Same spelling in English. Cousine, cousin. You got it? Let's move on. More words you need to know. These words are important to help you make a complete sentence when you are talking about your family members. Okay? Listen while I read. Il y a. Il y a. Membre. J'ai. Un. Une. Les nombres. Grand. Petit. Personne. 7. Combien? Enfant. I'm going to read again. Il y a. Membre. Remember, you don't pronounce the S. J'ai. Un. Une. Les nombres. You don't pronounce the S here. Grand. Petit. Personne. You don't pronounce the S. 7. Combien? Enfant. Now, pay attention to this word here. This one. The reason why I put E here is because this can also be a word. Grande. The pronunciation is grande, which just indicates that this word without the E is in the masculine form. When you add an E, it becomes a feminine word. Grand, masculine. Grande, feminine. I am going to explain the difference between masculine and feminine in another video. Like grand or grande, we have the same thing here. Petit, you add an E to it, becomes petite. So, petit, masculine form, petite, feminine form. All right? Here, personne without an S indicates a singular form. When you add an S, it becomes a plural form. I'm going to explain the difference between the two singular and plural forms in another video. Same thing here. Without the S, membre is in the singular form, and with the S is in the plural form. Got it? Great. What do these words mean now? Let us clear the screen for a bit, okay? Il y a just means there is or there are. Membre, member. Add an S if it's in the plural form. J'ai, I have. This is a very important verb in French, the verb to have. Un just means one. You've seen this in numbers, in the lesson on numbers. Une just means one. This is in the feminine form. This is in the masculine form. Okay? Les nombres just means numbers. You've seen this word before. You should know this word by now. Grand just means big. Petit means small. Okay? Personne means people or person. Person as a singular form. People, plural form. Sept means this. Combien, how many. Enfant, child. In the plural form, it would be enfant with an S. In English, will be children. You know this. Perfect. Now you're going to do a little bit of thinking, okay? Combien, that's number one. Combien de personnes y a-t-il dans cette famille? How many people are there in this family? That's what number one means. And your answer will be, il y a, now you have to count in French, please. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Il y a 6 personnes dans cette famille. There are 6 people in this family. Cette famille est grande ou petit. Ou just means or. Okay? So if you say cette famille est grande, you're going to write grande here. This is a big family. Okay? Il y a, who is in this family? Well, papa, maman. How many brothers and how many sisters do you see here? Okay? You have 1, 2 girls. So you're going to say 2 sœurs with an S. et 2 frères. Okay? You can also say 4 enfants, 4 children. Let's move on. Décrivez cette famille just means describe this family. Combien de personnes y a-t-il dans cette famille? Il y a, if you say 4, you are correct. Il y a 4 personnes dans cette famille. Cette famille est, if your answer is petite, you are correct. Okay? Il y a papa, maman et 2 enfants. Il y a papa, maman et 2 enfants. This is the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next lesson. Merci et au revoir.